Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Hope your week has been going great. In this video I just want to go through my analysis for gold, just to see what has been happening in the market so far this week, as we've gotten to halfway through the week. Again, I'm starting from the weekly time frame and work my way down to the 4-hour time frame. So on the weekly time frame, like I said in the last couple of videos, we're still moving quite strongly to the upside. The weekly candle, as we can see, is still strongly bullish, which I expect to continue until we get to this resistance point of 2070. Yeah, so I'm just going to expect price to keep pushing to the upside. And on the daily time frame as well, that is being confirmed. We can see that today price hasn't really been strongly bullish, as we can see sellers trying to push price down, but it's been this strong battle so far, and price is finishing bullish but not as strong as it was yesterday. So it means that there are still some sellers in the market. We would know whether or not the sellers has been exhausted or used all their powers to kind of push price to the downside by tomorrow, and see how the market carries on. And so on the daily time frame, that's what we are looking at by this small bullish candle. And on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that twice price tried to push down, initially when price got towards the 2052 area, price tried to push down and then came back up again towards that 2050 area, where there is some sort of resistance there, and then price again trying to push back to the downside. And we can see so far price forming this sort of downward channel. We can see that clearly if we go down to the hourly time frame. We can see that price has formed this channel there, and what I am expecting is for price to still bounce off from the lower trend line of the channel, breaking the upper trend line of the channel, and just continuing to the upside into the area that we expect price to be. There is a little bit of resistance level here, as we can see price testing that area. So I would say once price is able to break this area to the upside, that is the around the 2050 area, we should look to take a buy trade from there, especially if you are a day trader. That is the point that I expect you to be targeting for the rest of the week. Looking at this as well, price may not get to this 2070 area this week. It may take a bit longer for price to get there, but then again, I am still expecting price to get to the top here. So for those of us in the trade, all you need to do is to make sure that you've broken even, and then you've moved your stops so that you'll be in a risk-free trade. And for those of you who are not in the trade currently, there's still opportunity. You just need to wait and see how price reacts to this resistance level slash channel that is being formed, and just wait patiently for price to break it to the upside. And if it does, then you look to take your buy opportunity once price gives that chance to do so. That's once all the confluences meet to give all the indications that price will move to the upside. And you should be expecting at least about 150 to 170 pips move on that trade, with at least a risk to reward ratio of 2:1, which is still very good. So we should just be patient. If you're not in this trade, just relax, wait for price to react to that area before we consider taking any trade. And once that happens, it will make us profitable. But for now, what we're going to do is watch and wait to see how we can capitalize on the market. So essentially, this is where we are so far for gold this week. I hope you found this very helpful, this little update. If you have, kindly leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis videos. I'm going to also put out a video on Euro USD, GBP USD, and GBP JPY as well, so you can go check that out. So thank you very much for watching and have a great rest of the week. Cheers.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings.